Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you plank for 5 minutes every day? Planking is a simple but effective exercise that can help you improve your overall fitness, strength, and balance. It's also a great way to target your core muscles, which are essential for good posture and stability. If you're new to planking, start by holding a plank for 30 seconds and gradually increase the amount of time you can hold it as you get stronger. You can also try different variations of planks, such as side planks, reverse planks, and knee planks. Here are some of the benefits of planking for 5 minutes every day. Core strength. Planking primarily targets the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, obliques, and transverse abdominis. By holding the plank position, you engage and strengthen these muscles, which can lead to improved posture and stability. Back strength. Planking also engages the muscles of the lower back, helping to improve overall spinal support and reducing the risk of lower back pain. Improved posture. As your core muscles strengthen, your posture can improve. A strong core provides better support for the spine, making it easier to maintain good posture throughout the day. Increased metabolism. Engaging multiple muscle groups during planks can help boost your metabolism. This can contribute to burning more calories throughout the day, which can be beneficial for weight management. Reduced risk of injury. A strong core can help protect your spine during daily activities and sports, reducing the risk of injury. Improved flexibility. While planking doesn't involve much movement, it does stretch and lengthen muscles in the shoulders, collarbones, and shoulder blades, helping to improve upper body flexibility. Better digestion. Some people find that regular planking can aid in digestion and reduce discomfort associated with digestive issues. This may be due to the gentle compression of the abdominal area during the exercise. Mental benefits. Holding a plank for an extended period requires mental endurance and concentration. Over time, this can help improve mental toughness and discipline. Visible changes. If combined with a balanced diet and other forms of exercise, planking can contribute to a toned midsection and improved muscle definition. Here are some tips for doing a plank correctly. Start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and your shoulders directly over your elbows. Make sure your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles and keep your back flat. Hold the position for as long as you can. If you can plank for 5 minutes every day, you'll start to see and feel the benefits in no time.